In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use StockCharts Dividend Overlay. If you've ever wanted a quick way to see exactly when a company paid dividends right on top of its price chart, this is the fastest method in StockCharts' advanced charting platform. Start by opening your web browser and heading to stockcharts.com/ACP. This loads the interactive charting workspace where you can view live charts and customize what appears on them. At the top of the platform, click into the symbol box and type the ticker you want to analyze. For example, you might use VZ if you're looking at a large telecom. Press Enter on your keyboard or click the Go button to load the chart. In a moment, you'll see the price bars and any default indicators that the workspace uses. That's your starting point. Next, open the Chart Settings panel. Look along the left-hand side of the screen for the gear icon. Clicking this opens a settings drawer where you can fine-tune the chart's look and content. Inside this panel, you'll find controls for chart attributes, overlays, and special events. We'll focus on events, since that's where dividends live. Scroll within the Chart Settings panel until you reach the Events section. Here, find the option labeled Dividends and check the box to turn dividend markers on. These markers are placed at each date where a dividend was recorded for the selected symbol. They're intentionally small so they don't clutter your view, but they're precise enough to line up with individual candles or bars on the chart. Right below that, use the Position dropdown if you want to change where the markers appear. Choose Above the Price to keep the price bars clear, below the price if you prefer to keep your focus on the action above, or on the price bars to align the symbols directly on each bar. There's no single right choice. It's about visibility and what feels most readable with your current chart style and color theme. As soon as the dividends box is checked, you'll see the markers populate across your chart. If no markers appear, the symbol may not have paid dividends in the time period you're viewing, or it may be a growth-focused stock that doesn't distribute cash to shareholders. That's all you need to overlay dividends on your StockCharts ACP view. Load your symbol, open Chart Settings, enable the Dividends event, and set the position that works best for you. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring dividend history directly on your charts.